Okay, so this is a 2005 Town and Country touring version, and I have a problem with the resistor in the back air conditioning. So this is the analog version of the controls, and it doesn't work at the lower settings, only at the high setting. So what I did was I took this rubber off and I pulled this out, and the resistor on this version goes right here, right in here. So I took these screws out. These were 8mm, so I took them out with a ratchet, and I got a replacement one. I actually got this off of Amazon. This is the part, and this is the part number. So I'm going to swap it out and see what happens. Okay, so what I did was, this clip was in like this. I just pulled it out, and you press here and you disconnect it. This was the old one. Now let's see if it works. Okay, it's working now. So to close this up, I just need to insert the resistor back in here, put these 2 bolts on, and close this up, put the rubber back. And there's a video on YouTube about 20 minutes long that somebody seems to have a newer version of this. This fan housing has to be pulled forward and the resistor was behind it. On this vehicle, which is a 2005, the resistor is right here, so it's very easy to get to. I hope this helps somebody.